So today we're going to do a crab stitch or reverse single crochet, and I'm going to show you both ways to do it because there are kind of two. One a little bit more hacky, which is what I'm going to show you first. So I'm just doing this in a round, but any border, any place you could stick a single crochet, you could stick this as an edging. So I've chained one after meeting all the way around the circle. I'm going to stick my hook in that stitch, pull up one like you would for a normal single crochet. But the hack way to do this that is wonderful is just spin your hook around. And you can kind of still see you have those two loops on your hook, but they're almost one now. Yarn over and pull through that. And it looks a little weird for the first one. But then you're going to do it in the next stitch as well, right? Because we're working on a border. So yarn over, pull through, spin your hook around. And try to keep your stitches loose while you do this, otherwise it can get a little tight. Yarn over and pull through those two, and you can kind of see it starting to form. So one more time. Yarn over, keep them a little bit on the looser side, spin the hook around, yarn over, and pull through. And you can do that as many times as you need to make a really nice edging border. Now let's show the other way. This is a little bit harder, but excuse me, I'm sure there's some need for it. So this is why it's called a reverse single crochet. So instead of working around the way you would normally, you're going to stick your hook in the previous single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and you can kind of see that by pulling it sort of underneath. So we're sticking our hook in this stitch here. So working backward, yarn over or yarn under, grab your yarn, pull through, and you can kind of see we got that same little two loops but blob-esque form on there. Yarn over, pull through, and then keep doing it backwards. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then it's doing the same thing the other way. And there you are. And that is the reverse single crochet or crab stitch.